Hi, this is Mikey, new Mini stuff. So we're in an R56 Mini. We've just done a double DIN conversion, so new central stack, heater controls, switches all moved over. Button delete done on the speedo, and we've now got our double DIN unit. So that gives us DAB radio, Bluetooth, USB, Bluetooth streaming, AndroidAuto and Apple Carplay. So if we ask for Google Maps, we get a proper satellite view. We've also got my favourite, which is Waze navigation. That'll also give us traffic, speed cameras, police locations. And some roadworks just up ahead there. We've got Apple Maps as well. We've got tuning radio, we've got WhatsApp, and we've got Siri as well, so we've got a voice control of it. So, hey Siri, navigate to Victoria Road.
Getting directions to Victoria Road, Liverpool. Starting route to Victoria Road. Head northwest on Old Car Road, then at the roundabout, take the second exit.
You can also do texts by voice. Hey Siri, send a text.
Who do you want to send it to?
Becky.
What do you want to say?
Testing, testing.
Your message to Becky says testing, testing. Ready to send it?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
You can also do our music and phone calls by voice. Really, really nice unit. There's the iPlayer down there, you can probably see as well. We can supply this as a mail order solution with plug and play harnesses to keep all your tones etc. working. Cheers, bye.